Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Zyam Medicos. And right now today we are facing a man-made disorder on global scales. It is our greatest threat for thousands of years, and that issue is the climate change. Climate change is defined as an average long-term change in the Earth's temperature, weather, precipitation, and various distinct reasons that continue over various decades. The primary cause of climate change are from the burning of fossil fuels, the human activities like deforestation, and even the increase in human population is another factor for this current matter. If we don't take it seriously, the collapse of our civilization and the extinction of much of the natural world is on the horizon. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere now is 50% higher than it was in 1900. And not only we are pulling more and more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but we are chopping down the forest of the earth at a great rate. The forests themselves are the most efficient consumer of carbon dioxide that are on the earth. We are also going to destroy the ground because the soil of a rainforest is not very good and healthy. Actually, we are tampering with the climate of the earth and with the atmosphere also that we use for breathing. When we talk about the disappearance of ozone layer, we don't know what will happen when the ozone layer goes. The world has become so fragile that we can't subject the earth to the torture we can now inflict it upon it. When we talk about the greenhouse effects, we are talking about something that affects the entire earth. And these problems are life and death problems. And still now, if you can't understand that how it is being possible that climate change will end the human, so according to an article which was derived from study that the end will begin with the government disregard of current climate change disaster until the global temperature rises even more by the year 2050. The specific event will start catastrophes like droughts, forest fires and hurricanes. But this is just the beginning, because 1/3 of the Earth's surface will transmute into a desert while the entire ecosystem will crumble down. All these conclusions will cause an estimation sum of more than 1 billion refugees. So keep open your eyes. If we don't stop the destruction of our natural world, nothing else will be matter. Simply put, if we don't protect nature, we can't protect ourselves. The only way we can solve a problem is by a human solution. Never ever we can be sit relaxed and wait for the miracle to save us. The miracle doesn't happen. The sweat happen, efforts happen, and thoughts happen.